We're playing in a glitched lobby.
This is just so freaking.
Basically, hold it up your screen a little bit. Hold it up. Hold it.
Let me see.
Hold it. No, like put it way close to my screen. Stop one. Look at the zombie.
He's teabagging it. We have no ammo, no grenades,
Huh?
and it says we have.
And
Like,
look, you know the lava is supposed to kill you. Isn't this weird? And you're not supposed to press X to bypass punches and say that at all.
actually square. Since
Oh,
we're playing
yeah.
PlayStation.
And then let's keep recording. And I'm gonna show you with the mystery box too. Doesn't say anything. And then the last thing we're gonna show you, which is kind of the funniest too. Or is it? This guy's like totally going full sprint, and he's like not even moving an inch. And then he's just like totally walking forward, not moving at all. The funniest part is also right here. This guy is in midair.
Wait, is that me?
Huh?
Look
No.
to your left. No, look to your right. That's me.
Right here? Oh shoot, that's you?
It's me.
And then we're playing split screen, and I'm first player, and supposedly it says that he's frozen. Shark
Yeah,
Seven
here's
was-
you. Here's you.
And that's me supposedly, but I'm playing first player, so that can't possibly be. I think anything the guys that are playing with us right now are probably saying the same thing. So I can go completely under this guy right here. It's kind of funny. Look. Oh yeah. Just crawl under him. That's pretty cool.
I'm just teabagging you.
Like split screen in my cousin's room. Okay. So thanks for watching.